So now it's time to create our structure. Let's start with the div with the ID of wrapper. Inside of this div, we're going to create div with the ID result, which is where our results will be displayed. After this, we're going to start with our button. So div, first of all, wrapper for the button, class item, where you also can put obviously image, product description, and so on. And div with the class add to basket. Inside of this div, we are going to put div with a class left. And then after this, we're going to have div with the class middle. And obviously, lastly, we're going to have a div with the class right. Now, first div will store our two buttons to increase and decrease the quantity. Middle one will display the input field, and the right one will have an add to basket button. If we go to our page, if we use developer tools to outline floated elements, you can see that we have two rows in the first column, left div. Second div has only input field, and third one has add to basket. So obviously we need to put these two here, input field, and something for the button in a third div. Okay, so if we go back and we start in the left one, we're going to start with div with the class add, rel equals, and now we're going to put product underscore 1. This will refer to the first product, and then just the space in between the opening and closing div tag. Then we have div class subtract, and the same thing, rel equals product 1. Okay, now we go into the middle div, and we start with the input, type, text, name, product, underscore 1. They all have to refer to the same product. Then we have ID, exactly the same. Then we have value, but let's move this one on a new line. Value will be 1 as well. And class will be basket quantity. Basket, capital QTY. You can obviously give it your own name if you want to. I'm going to refer to this class later on, so make sure that you remember what class you've assigned to it. So inside of the right one, we're going to create our button. So it's div class add to basket, rel equals, again the same thing, product underscore 1. We're closing this div, in between the opening and closing, add to basket. Okay, so that's the structure of our button and a page as well. In the next video, we're going to have a look at our core CSS file to start applying some styling to all these elements.